Ever wondered what makes Thai cuisine so tantalizing, so utterly irresistible? Well, the secret lies in the perfect blend of aromatic herbs, spices, and fresh ingredients. And there is no dish that exemplifies this more than the renowned Tom Yum Goong, an all-time favorite of food enthusiasts around the globe. Let's unravel the mystery behind crafting this delightful dish step by step. First things first, gather all the ingredients. For a serving of 4, you will need 8 cups of water, 4 stalks of fresh lemongrass, 1 inch of galangal, 10 kaffir lime leaves, 10 bird's eye chilies, 2 red onions, 4 cloves of garlic, half a cup of fresh lime juice, 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And of course, the star of the show, 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp. Begin by boiling the water in a pot. While the water heats up, prepare the herbs and spices. Crush the lemongrass stalks, slice the galangal, tear up the kaffir lime leaves, and smash the chilies. Peel and quarter the red onions and crush the garlic cloves. Once the water is boiling, add these herbs and spices into the pot. Let it simmer on medium heat for about 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together into a rich and fragrant broth. Meanwhile, clean the shrimp and remove the heads and shells, leaving the tail intact. Put these aside as they will add depth to the broth. After 15 minutes, strain the broth to remove the herbs and spices. Return the clear broth to the pot, add the shrimp heads and shells, and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Then, strain the broth again to remove the shrimp leftovers. Now it's time to add the jumbo shrimp. Cook them until they turn pink, indicating they are fully cooked. This usually takes about 5 minutes. As the shrimp cook, season the broth with the fresh lime juice, fish sauce, and sugar. Stir well until the sugar is fully dissolved. And there you have it, a bowl of aromatic, spicy, tangy Tom Yum Goong, ready to tantalize your taste buds. To summarize, start by boiling the water and adding the herbs and spices. Simmer for 15 minutes, then strain the broth. Add the shrimp heads and shells, simmer for another 10 minutes, then strain again. Cook the jumbo shrimp in the broth, then season with lime juice, fish sauce, and sugar, and voila, your Tom Yum Goong is ready to serve. Remember, the secret to any great dish is the quality of the ingredients and the love you put into it. So embrace the process, enjoy the journey, and savor every spoonful of this Thai culinary masterpiece.